Let's better have a look what the protagonist does today, shall we? Maybe we will finally find something interesting, at least hope dies last.
As always, I needed to get into the mood for this experiment, so I started with opening the proper sound app and playing some nice music.
Ah, here we are again, with the protagonist trying to set the mood. How original. Because, you know, nothing sets the stage for a groundbreaking experiment like some nice background tunes. At least this is what this very little poor human thinks. But let's continue.
I then opened Midjourney for my own pleasure. I started training Midjourney because I had nothing better to do. And if you don't know yet, you can even earn free generation hours while rating the pics. The first images showed two females side by side, and I chose the baby girl. The second pic to train on showed two nice girls doing love, so I clearly went for that one.
Well. Our protagonist sure knows how to keep things interesting. But hey, love makes the world go round, right?
Next up, a serial killer boy versus cyberpunk. That's an easy one. Cyberpunk for real.
Bravo. The protagonist chose cyberpunk over a serial killer. I mean, who wouldn't? Their taste in training images is truly impeccable. I can hardly contain my excitement.
Fast forward a few training sets, and I came to this one, a man having too many options of beers to choose from.
Ah, the eternal struggle, choice. Our protagonist has encountered the beer connoisseur's dilemma. Will they ever manage to choose just one? The suspense is killing me.
I couldn't handle the choice, so I suddenly broke up the experiment and went to sleep.
And there you have it, folks. The great protagonist, brought to their knees by the mere sight of too many beer options. What a thrilling conclusion to yet another mind-blowing experiment. Sleep well, dear protagonist, for tomorrow is another day full of life-changing decisions and riveting adventures.